Hi friends, I want to show you my new bird feeder. It's a really nice one because it's solar powered and it gives really nice light, color light in the night. We're gonna test it with you later on. I wanted to show you first this unboxing. So as I was telling you, this is basically a bird feeder. As you can see, you hang this from a tree or in your house and you put the bird's food inside here. Then you hang it in a tree or outside your house and you turn it on. And when the light goes out, it will give a really nice lighting and colorful effect. And you will have all the possibility to help birds around your home to be fed. Okay, so I'm going to buy the bird's food and we're going to put this in our tree to give our patio a more lively ambience. Thank you. There you can see the solar cell here and you can turn it on or off, but as I told you, it has a day and night sensor, so it will turn on only when it's dark. Okay. You can see how nice this bird feeder looks. I turn off all the patio lights and see how pretty it looks. It's charged with the sunlight, the solar cell it has, and it looks just pretty. Really nice.